Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my 20k extra review and $2,675 bonus. Now, what is 20k extra? It is a brand new product released by Kevin Fahey, and inside he essentially shows you how you can make an extra $20,000 per month online. And it doesn't really matter if you're a beginner or an advanced marketer, this will work for anyone. And he's really sharing some unique strategies. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you everything there is to know about it, the inside, the funnel, and obviously I have a huge bonus package to it. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this 20k extra review. So as you can see, the sales page says this unique, never revealed before internet marketing system added $20,000 per month to my bottom line. This will work for you whether you are an accomplished marketer or a complete beginner. So let's scroll down. Obviously you can go through this in your own time. I just wanted to show you some key points like this proof right here. So you can see $192,000 from Warrior Plus. Then we have $170,000 in affiliate commissions. As you can see, we have almost $800,000. That's, I believe, from just selling products. So obviously tons of proof. We have ClickBank, we have some CPA marketing. I believe this is Zaxa, so ClickBank again. So obviously this will work with any kind of a platform. So Kevin Fahey, this is the guy behind the course, an amazing marketer, and 20k extra, this is the name of this new product. So I'm going to be getting video training, case study, tools and resources. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Some testimonials right here. Obviously Kevin will give you some bonuses, these free bonuses, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of Kevin's bonuses for 14-day money back guarantee, so no risk for you. And that's essentially it. Again, go through all of it in your own time. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it says thank you for purchasing 20k extra. You have a welcome video, then we have the introduction video, the 6 modules, the worksheet example, getting your data, managing personal accounts, personal tips from Kevin, affiliate marketing blueprint training, and product creation training. And this is a bonus. So this whole training is about really generating traffic and using affiliate marketing, but as a bonus he also shows you how to do product creation, because obviously product creation is where the big money is at, but it's not for everyone and you will need some experience for it. And if you want to make the quick money, obviously affiliate marketing is the way to go. Now, the cool thing about it is that inside these modules you actually have multiple videos and multiple lessons. So as you can see, we have 5 minutes here, 20 minutes here, 16 minutes, 6 minutes, but we have a couple of videos that are longer, which means that everything is covered. So we have 3 hours here and we have 4 hours here. We have 18 videos and 10 videos here. So it's all chunked out so you can consume it in a very, very cool way and easy way. But he leaves no stone unturned, so he covers everything. It's not a little course you can go through in half an hour and then try it out and then sort of see if it works or not. Everything you need to use this whole process from A to Z is included, and he will show you everything there is to know. Okay, again, this works for complete beginners, so if you are not a complete beginner, you probably may skip like a video or two, but everything is inside, and that's why I really like this whole course. Right now let's check out how much you will actually have to pay for it. So as you can see 20k extra will be $9.95. that's the early bird price, and the actual price will be $12.95. so get in early if you want to grab it for just $9.95. Then we have 4 OTOs. Let me just tell you the prices and then we're gonna go through each one. So OTO 1, we have 20k extra, commission 5 for $14.86. then we have 20k extra IM checklist trial for $3 for 5 days, then $17.95 a month. Then we have 20k extra audio number 3 IM checklist package, 460 checklists $197, and the last one is IM traffic, $37. And as always guys, I have a full written review right here on my blog. This will include the bonuses and this will include the funnel as well. So just to go through the funnel really quickly, 20k extra audio number 1 is the commission 5, which is a unique system to 10x your affiliate commissions instantly, beginner friendly, anyone can make this work, step-by-step training and no tech skills required. So this will be $14.86 commission 5. Audio number 2, we got I Am Checklist Gold membership for $3 trial. You can check it out, and you're going to be getting Kevin's 2020 internet marketing checklist, over 30 hours of training, plus you can attend Kevin's live monthly member only training webinars. Okay, then we have audio number 3, 460 marketing checklist with PLR, which means that you can actually sell these or give them away or do whatever you want. I'm going to be tapping into a trending multi-billion dollar industry and taking it to the next level. So that's audio number 3, and the last one is I Am Traffic, $37. If you want more traffic, that's the audio, and it's only $37. Now guys, again, let me mention to you that I have a full written review, so you can read through it as well as watching this review video, and this will include my bonuses. And to get my bonuses, all you have to do is grab 20k extra through my link, and to do it, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description. And 20k extra will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on February the 11th. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and these are custom-made bonuses about affiliate marketing and traffic. Okay, so a perfect complement to 20k extra. Then Kevin actually gave me a couple of exclusive bonuses for my subscribers only. You're gonna get consistent sales system, and you're gonna get affiliate funnel 2.0. okay, so 2 exclusive bonuses. And I'm going to give you a bunch of W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me Income Booster, Flip Me Reseller's License, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and additional plugins and software bonuses: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action, and also Authority Traffic Matters, Facebook Live Reaction, Agentpress, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, WP Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, and VidBot. So that's a total of 41 bonuses, but I'm not done, because you're also gonna get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. And that will bring it up to a total of $2,675. Now again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Kevin's course 20k extra through my link. Check out my full written review on my blog, and obviously this will include the 20k extra review sum up. So just to sum up this review really quickly, this is a unique system to start and scale your business, 100% beginner friendly. Anyone can make this work. Takes no more than a couple of hours per day, step-by-step training anyone can understand and follow, and this is for beginners and advanced marketers. So again, I'm making money full-time for like 6 or 7 years now, and I still found some hidden gems in it. No tech skills or experience required, and you're getting everything I showed you in this video included. So again, guys, check out my bonuses, check out my written review, and before you go, let me just show you how to claim the bonus after picking 20k extra through my link. All you have to do is just go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon on the top right corner right here, go to purchase history, and then you should see all of your purchases including 20k extra. Click on the 20k extra access button, and below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim my bonuses. You don't have to send me receipts, you don't have to send me emails, it's all done automatically. And again, I really like this product because Kevin is a marketer that does things a little bit differently. He's very original, his approach is a little bit different, so he doesn't do the same exact thing as all the other marketers that are out there, maybe are on their list, etc. He does things in a very, very original way, and that's why he's making $20,000 per month, and you can copy his exact results. So guys, that was my 20k extra review. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like on YouTube. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. And I will be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.